All know the importance of money. Money is important, and everybody, there's nobody on this earth, on this planet earth, that doesn't want to make money or doesn't want to make more money. Money is important, and lots of us want to be rich and wealthy. But unfortunately, there are very few wealthy people. In fact, according to a research, people that earn greater than $1 million yearly are like 1% of the world's population. You see, the gap is just too much. The gap between the rich and the poor is too much. And what distinguishes the rich from the poor? What sets the rich and the poor apart? I think the most important thing is the knowledge, because there is an art and science to earning, keeping, and multiplying money. Most of us focus on earning more money, but we don't focus on how we can make those money multiply and how we can keep those money so that we don't just waste them on wishful and wasteful spending. In this video, I'll be sharing top 7 books you should read if you must escape poverty and unlock financial freedom. Financial freedom is what everybody strives to, and it's not just about thinking about making money. You should take actionable steps. What do you know about money that will help you make more money and unlock financial freedom? Let's dive into this video. Whether you're looking to take more risks, like quitting your job and starting a new business, or following the traditional path of saving and investing, there is a book for you in this recommendation. Ensure to stick around. And number 4 is my absolute favorite. First book recommendation you should read if you are looking to unlock financial freedom. This book is highly recommended by anyone, especially when you are looking to start out your investment journey. It is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is an unconventional book that explores the mindset between the rich and the poor and their approach to wealth building. According to the author, he had 2 dads, one which was the poor dad and the one which was the rich dad. The poor dad was a worker. He was an employee and was always looking to earn more money by working harder and doing more tedious work, while his rich dad has businesses. This book, Investing in Assets and Reducing Your Liabilities, it talks about how you should work to learn and not work to earn, and why being paid salary would not help you reach financial freedom as much as you want it to. This book is a must read if you are looking to escape the 9 to 5. If you are looking to escape the 9 to 5 route, and it is high on any rich, wealthy man's recommendation. Just type on Google books to read to unlock financial freedom, and this book will be number 1. The next recommendation on our list is The Richest Man in Babylon. This book, which was published in 1926, lessons are still very much important and much applied in today's world and in today's time and age. It talks about the richest man in Babylon and how he shares his financial literacy and financial advice to his friends who are looking to gain more wealth like him. And it's not just about giving financial advice. It does this through storytelling in this book, and these stories are very relatable. The financial advice he gives are in simple nuggets that if you start applying them in your life, you will start seeing changes immediately. He also popularized this notion of paying yourself first, which is keeping at least 10% of your income to invest in other in things that will bring financial growth and prosperity, things that you would invest. And it doesn't just tell you to invest, it also encourages you to acquire the education you need before you go about investing. Not investing in things that you are not knowledgeable about. This book is very deep, and you would open your eyes to the world of finance and managing money and multiplying money. You should read this book if you want to turn your financial life around. The 3rd book on our list is Millionaire by MJ DeMarco. This book is not quite popular, but the lessons there are very in-depth. I want you to trust me, they are very in-depth, and the author doesn't follow the conventional route. He gives his own advice in a frank, unconventional way. He explores the slow lane to wealth and the fast lane to wealth. He talked about the slow lane being the normal route of saving and investing, while fast lane is about getting something of value, building system and structures, and finding leverage to scale your wealth. It's not your conventional financial literacy book. Most times when you read this book, you have to pause and think about your life, if what you are doing is really worth it or not. But this book, I promise you will love it, and you would thank me for this book. Ensure to read it. I personally read this book once every year, to help me with my financial journey and help me stay on track. This book is a simple, practical book if you are looking to unlock financial freedom on your own terms, escaping the 9 to 5. This book, The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss, is for those looking to unlock financial freedom on their own terms. It helps you design a lifestyle where your work fits around your life and not the other way around. You are working, but you also have time for yourself. It encourages building passive income and looking for jobs that are more flexible, like taking remote jobs that are more flexible, and building system and scaling up from that point. It encourages working while enjoying your life, not the traditional method of you going to work 9 to 5. You are working, you are enjoying your life, and you are doing only things that are important to you. You delegate tasks that are not important, and just having more time to yourself to do that which is important, while also making money on the side. If financial freedom while exploring the world is your thing, you should definitely read this book. It opens you to a lot of possibilities you didn't know you have. It opens your mind to a lot of possibilities you didn't know you have access to. Helps you live your life according to your term while also making money. You should read this book, my dear friend. The next book on our list is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book talks about how our mindset and our attitude towards money affect us. We see people make lots of money, but at the end of the day, they are broke. It's just because of their psychology around money. How you manage money is being experiences. Money isn't just numbers. They are influenced by our emotions, our habits, our experiences. What experiences have you had about money that is still affecting how you spend money going forward? These books dissect how we think about money, how everything that we have been through affects us and our money. So be sure to read this book if you want to know how your mindset and your psychology around money is, and how you can start tracing yourself back. Our wealth is influenced by our personal beliefs and all. So if you want to explore more about this book, want to learn more about this book, you should read this book. You should pick up the book and read. The next book on our list is Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book explores that money is not just a currency. This book invites you not to see money just as a currency, but as an energy you spend to live. It encourages you to spend money based on what you truly value, and not spending money on things that are not important. And see money from the perspective of the time and effort you put to making that money and spending them will help you spend it wisely. It helps encourage wise spending by taking into consideration the amount of effort you put to getting that money and how you would want to spend that money. It doesn't encourage wasteful spending. It says spending money from the perspective of how much effort you put into making that money would encourage wise spending. The book is all about spending money on things you truly value. The next book recommendation on our list is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book explores the concept of not living flashy lifestyle, but embracing frugality and spending less. Instead of spending anyhow, you are not spending anyhow, and you are keeping the money to multiply it, to put in profitable investment. It's not when you are very rich and have flashy cars or have flashy lifestyle that you are rich, but practicing frugality, appreciating the present moment, and investing that money into profitable income and growing your craft. It also encourages mastering your craft to earn more and continuous development. So, like I said, there's the recommendation for each part you want to follow. If you want to follow the traditional part, which is saving and investing, there is a book for you, and this book will guide you on that part. And if it's quitting your job or taking the more riskier parts, starting up a business, there's a book for you. And in this video I highlighted the Millionaire Fast Lane, Tim Ferriss work hour, 4-hour work week. I hope you found this book recommendation very helpful, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you what you think about these books after reading them. Ensure you subscribe if you are not subscribed, and which other books do you want us to talk about? What other topics do you want us to explore on Xandraly's YouTube channel? Please share in the comments of this video and share with your friends who are looking to upscale their financial lives. I will see you in our next video. Thank you for watching, and ensure to read the book this week. Happy reading. Bye.